must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that I always thought was only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you'd feel the way that I do. And I'd whisper these words as you'd lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words that could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the So today I finally find the courage deep inside.